this is JDM for all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and today's video is really exciting, guys, because I just got a new part for the LEXUS IS. So this is actually a roof spoiler or a rear window visor, and it is definitely beautiful. And yes, it is carbon fiber, so I am super excited to install this on the LEXUS, guys. This is actually pretty well made carbon fiber, and it looks really good. Alright guys, so this was $200 on eBay, and it is beautiful. I love it. So here is my carbon fiber wrap. Obviously, it does not show very well in the dark, but it looks pretty good. And then here's the carbon fiber. Obviously, this carbon fiber looks beautiful, and it is real, but in the sun, this hood does look much better. Can't really tell right now, but yeah, it does look good. So I wanted to compare that real quick, guys. Alright guys, so it's time to get this thing cleaned up because I am ready to install it. My LEXUS is not super dirty, but I'm sure there is dust on the window, so I will be cleaning it. And if you're not familiar with my LEXUS, this is my IS. It's a 2016 IS 200T. I absolutely love this car. It is amazing. I wrapped the hood, and I have the splitter down there, and I did a badge delete. That's about it. I'm going to be getting some carbon fiber pieces for the interior as well, so look out for that video, and let's go. Alright, so it came with this, I guess it's knockoff 3M tape, but I will not be using this because I do not want to lose this $200 carbon fiber piece. So I bought this 3M off of Amazon, and we'll be using this 3M double-sided tape. And it actually does look a little thicker, and hopefully it works better. Obviously, I'm sure it will. Let's start by cleaning the inside or the bottom of this rear window visor, and then we'll start putting tape on it. So I'm going to be using some alcohol wipes just to clean it really quick, so let's go. Alright guys, so now we're going to open this up. I got a razor blade so I can cut it, and we're going to be applying the 3M double-sided tape right now. Guys, so it is done now. It looks great. I guess the side could have come out better, but I could have ran this piece along the side, but it really doesn't matter. There's double-sided tape all along every corner, and it looks great. So I am really liking this. It is time to install it now. I will see you guys in 1 minute. Okay, so I wiped down the back window. Now I'm going to alcohol wipe the back window and just make sure that it is super clean for the double-sided tape. Should only take a few minutes. I do want to make sure that it is super clean and that it holds on very well. Okay, I'm back with a new alcohol wipe. The other one dried out because I guess I took too long on the other side, but we are going to get this side done. Just want to make sure that it is super clean and ready for some double-sided tape. So let's get this done, and then we will be installing the roof spoiler. Super excited. I cannot wait. It is beautiful, and I am just so excited. So just so you guys know, I took off this centerpiece, and I took off the corners of these, and on the other side as well, and so I'm basically going to lay it down with a helper and just figure out a roundabout where I want it, and that way it will still lift up and it won't be permanent. And then I can figure out where I want it, and then once I lay it down, then I could pull off the double-sided tape cover. Okay guys, so we are back and the job is done. The installment went great. It's actually a pretty easy job. I've done this before, never with carbon fiber, but it came out amazing, and I am in love with this look. I definitely do want the back of my LEXUS to look a little bit more aftermarket, and it does now. I am really liking this spoiler. I am really liking this look. It looks amazing. I am just in love. I definitely think that this was worth it for $200, and I will be getting more parts for this car, especially carbon fiber. I will be getting some more interior carbon fiber parts, but for now, I was just super excited for this and basically my splitter. Those were the two things that I was most excited about, and now they are installed, and I am super happy about this. So I just washed my car a few days ago, so I won't be washing it for probably another week just because this has double-sided tape on it. And yeah, I'm going to be cleaning it up and hopefully protecting it. I'm going to find some products to protect it. Maybe I will share on this channel. That would be really fun. But alright guys, well thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for making it this far. If you haven't already, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.